here we are out of the water. That was quite easy. I can't help thinking that the kayak's a little bit top heavy because I've got a lot of stuff on it, and I want to have a comfortable night's camping, but it's wind's picking up. So the question is, what plonker would bring a trekking pole tent? And you guessed it, no trekking poles. So I'm just cutting this down to size with a diver's knife. Well, in my style, I've forgotten my bacon in the car, so I'm going to go over there now and get it because I want my bacon breakfast and my pasta and bacon tonight. I've made a pole out of a big tree. I had a lovely night's sleep despite being propositioned by another man. It's a story that we'll go into another time. Just making breakfast, nice liquid fuel stove, using the ration packs that Oscar, my nephew, gave me. Very kind of him, thank you. I'm going to have beans and sausages, and I'm going to fry some bacon up and have some bread, and have a little fry up. Why not? This is Connaughton. I hope that's the right pronunciation because it bears some resemblance to my surname. I've decided, if I can make it all the way around this island, then I might actually stay here for the next couple of days and see if I can walk around each island. That would be quite cool. So I wanted to climb Bwrchil Etif Moor, but that can wait for another day. This is so beautiful here. This is the island, opposite the island I'm staying on, and I saw a wallaby last night hopping along the shore. I couldn't quite believe my eyes, but they do live here because in the 40s there were a couple brought over and they bred on the island. So, there's a track there. I might take that and see where it takes me. Well, I just had a look at the map and I'm not even halfway around the island at the moment, and it's been a bit of a mish. I'm trying not to go into the undergrowth because I've been told that the ticks out there are, well, the Scottish ticks, there are bastards. So dinner tonight, pasta and pesto and bacon and them things, right, they're called mushrooms. So I've decided to explore the islands today, get some drone footage and then stick the kayak on the roof and head back because it's a long hard journey back. I'm sort of the mindset and now quit while I'm ahead. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older. I could easily, I plan to climb Bwrchil Etif Moor, and then I was looking at Loch Lomond, but I'm just too unfit to enjoy it at the moment, so I need to get a bit fitter, then I start climbing and walking again. But to be honest, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing at the moment, and I like it. Look, it's so peaceful, there's no one here. So I'll get back on the water, have a look around, and get it on the roof and go home. Right, and that's it. Everything's packed up in the boat. So I'm going to head out to I don't know, I mean I have trouble pronouncing stuff in English, so I ain't even going to try. But translated, it's the island of the lonely tree. So we're going to go there, see if we can get the drone up. Mate of mine said he wishes he could do this because he sees the photos that I post and stuff like that. You know, you can, it's really easy if you want to do it. It doesn't have to cost the world. This boat cost me 200 quid on eBay. I think I got quite a good deal, but you can definitely pick them up for that, and I love it. It's got a rudder at the back, it's got certainly enough room for couple of days, 3 days camping. Stable. Yeah, it's really cool, and it's plastic, isn't it? It's polypropylene, so you've never got any worries really about getting any holes in it. Yeah, my tent was, it's a Lanshan 1. It's a really cheap tent from China, trekking pole tent, 150 quid. Superb. It's one man, you can sit up in it, withstands weather. You know, the rest of the stuff you just borrow off mates or but you know, buy as time goes on. Well, that was interesting. Turns out gulls don't particularly like drones, and they will mob it. You've got about 10 minutes of flying before, not even that, 5 minutes before they start getting a bit arsey. They don't like you in their manner. So there was that. And then it turns out that the island of one tree has got about 5 trees on it. And I thought I'd take a really cool shot with the drone shooting in over my head. And I didn't realise there was a tree behind me, and it hit the tree. And I don't know how it did a recovery, but it did. And it stayed up in the air over the loch, because the tree was right on the edge of the island. Woohoo! Pooed my pants, I can tell you that. Okay.